Upgrading your car stereo without losing factory sound quality just got easier with the Scosche FDK13B wiring harness. Designed specifically to connect an aftermarket stereo to factory amplified systems, this adapter ensures a flawless fit without any wire cutting or splicing. If you have a premium sound system in your vehicle, this harness is the reliable link you need. Unlike other adapters, the FDK13B is not compatible with non-amplified factory systems, making it a specialized solution for vehicles equipped with factory amps and subs. It plugs directly into your factory harness using standard color-coded wires, so installation is straightforward and hassle-free. This means less time in the garage and more time enjoying your upgraded sound. Scosche has been a trusted name in car audio installation for over 40 years. Their commitment to quality is clear in every product they make. The FDK13B is manufactured with factory-grade wire and connectors, matching original equipment standards to guarantee durability and performance. This isn't just an adapter, it's a seamless extension of your vehicle's audio system. What sets Scosche apart is their dedication to customer support. When you buy the FDK13B, you're backed by lifetime tech support. Their knowledgeable team is ready to help with any questions, no matter how long you've owned the product. Plus, every Scosche 12 volts installation accessory comes with a limited lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. Many users have praised the FDK13B for its perfect compatibility, especially with models like the 2003 Ford Expedition Premium Sound System. Despite some sources recommending other adapters, the FDK13B fits perfectly and connects both the amp and subwoofer without issue. Scosche's customer service also receives high marks for responsiveness and expertise. If you're looking to upgrade your car stereo while preserving the integrity of your factory amplified system, the Scosche FDK13B is worth a look. It delivers what you need: a direct, clean connection with no wire cutting, reliable factory quality materials, and ongoing support that lasts a lifetime. This adapter changes the way you install your stereo, making the process smoother and more dependable. Ready to enhance your vehicle's sound without the usual installation headaches? The Scosche FDK13B wiring harness is your go-to solution. Try it when you're ready to experience a seamless connection that respects your car's original audio setup and gives you the freedom to enjoy your aftermarket stereo to the fullest.